How to fix TikTok comment not showing, TikTok comment glitch. Now, first of all, it depends upon whether it is your own comment section on your videos or other people's videos comments. If you're not being able to see comments on your own video, it could be that you might have disabled the comment for your videos. To check for that, tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side and simply go to the option called settings. Once you're there, what you want to do is simply go to privacy, and from here you can go to comments, and from here you can check whether or not you have allowed comments from everybody. Now, if you're talking about in someone else's video, sometimes it could also be that that particular creator might have disabled comment for that particular video. So you can try to browse through other videos and see if they have a comment. Now, if none of the videos you see on TikTok actually has a comment section, then what you can do is it could be a certain glitch with the application. Long press on the TikTok app icon, then tap on the I button to come to the app info page on Android. If you're on iPhone, you might want to go to settings, general, and offload the application. Once done, simply go to the option called storage. Now tap on clear cache and also make sure to clear the data, which will obviously log you out of your account, by the way. So if you do not remember your credentials, I wouldn't recommend you clear the data, just clear the cache files only. Now after that, you open up your Play Store. In the search bar, you search for the TikTok app. Check if the TikTok app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.